Hello and welcome to Ministry of JavaScript. In this video we are going to be looking at another prototype method of string which is called .split. Basically we use split method whenever we want to convert our string into an array. So let's just come over here and write console.log str.split. Then as you can see that it has converted our string into an array, but we do have a splitter of plus sign, and what we want to do, we want to use this splitter and we want to convert our string into an array using this splitter. Then we can come over here inside the split function and we will pass the plus inside the first argument. As you can see that it has splitted all the element of a string into an array. And let's just comment it and uncomment the first one. Then we do have a splitter of underscore. Then we can come over here and just replace it with underscore. Then as you can see we are getting all our elements like before. And if we do have any kind of a string which has a white spaces in between them like this one, then you can just come over here and write a white space in the split function as well, and it will work just like this. So this is it from this video. I will see you in the next. Have a nice day.